I'm Jim Roddy of the Retail Solutions Providers Association, welcoming you to this 2-minute preview of RSPA Inspire, the Retail IT Channel's premier executive leadership conference. Inspire 2020 is scheduled for January 26th through 29th at the beautiful Grand Hyatt Baha Mar in Nassau, the Bahamas. Day one of Inspire will focus on leadership, including a panel titled Leadership Inside the SMB World. One of the special guests on that panel is Jennifer Trichel, the General Manager of the NCR local dealership in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Hey, Jennifer, great to see you.
Good to see you too, Jim.
Hey, so let's talk a little bit about your leadership journey. So if you could share with our viewers one or maybe two of the most valuable leadership lessons that you've learned during your career that you might discuss at Inspire.
Sure, I'd love to. One of the things that I've always taken to heart is that when you work with your team members, if you present yourself in a situation of I want good things for you, right? And that turns into good things from you, right? So instead of asking all the time for them to provide things to us for our business and for our customers, if we nurture them and champion them as sales reps, I found that their response to those things flows into the purpose and the passion that we all have for the business. So as we support those team members and help them and nurture them, right, and they see that we are fighting the good fight with them, next to them, and for them on their behalf, the results kind of flow and follow into that, which has been great. That's kind of the first thing that I do is get out there in the trenches with them to know that we're all in this together. They're not out there by themselves, but there's a team that supports them and nurtures them in order to be successful. And the next thing I would say, there's that show Undercover Bosses that is always fascinating to watch. And it's one of the great things about that is that it shows that those individuals were getting into the trenches with their team members, and they were really focused on supporting them in their efforts and their roles. And I think that when your team members see you out there with them, holding their hand, lifting them up, you can't go out there and demand respect for those individuals, but it's earned because they see that you're putting in the time with them to get to understand and better understand what their challenges are they face every day, right? Whether they're in the field selling or if they're back here talking to a customer that might not be super happy about something, when they see us supporting them in their efforts, it creates a very cohesive business environment. So those are probably the most valuable lessons that I've learned so far in my leadership journey.
Got it. Very good. And so essentially what you're saying is you don't just say to a sales rep, for example, hit your numbers, hit your numbers, hit your numbers. You have to say, what can we do together in order to get what the company needs, but also what do you need and how can I help you get that? Is that essentially what you're saying?
Exactly. And there's always three pieces to that triangle, right? There's you as a salesperson or as an employee of our organization. There's our customers, right? And then there's the business itself. And when we can make decisions as leaders that support all three of those things in our triangle, then we're doing the best we can for all three parties. So, that's what we want to get to every time we have to make a tough decision. And when the employees and our team members see us working through that process, it helps them start working through it without necessarily us holding their hand every time, and it makes them very independent, and that's what we want. We want successful, independent team members that can problem solve on their own.
Great. Yeah, you'll get, what's a famous quote? You'll get everything you want out of life if you help enough other people get what they want out of life.
Exactly right.
Wonderful. Well, our time is up for today, but you don't have to stop learning here. For more insights on leadership, attend RSPA Inspire, the Retail IT Channel's premier executive leadership conference, January 26th through 29th in the Bahamas. You'll want to register today because seating for the conference and space in the RSPA Hotel room block are limited, and Inspire 2019 drew a record number of attendees. Register today at gorspa.org. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in Nassau.